what's up? I'm with my friend, George, and we're, having some fun around here. The real name to this person is George Washington. George Washington has come back from the dead, and for some reason is playing Animal Jam with me. What? You changed your den? You changed your den. Okay. Why? Why did you change your den? So today I will be showing you a code, Sapphire code. So you go here, redeem code. I don't know if this works anymore. Oh, it doesn't work anymore. Never mind. But for those looking for a new den, for those new people on this game are looking for a sapphire den and a sapphire animal and a sapphire pet, you can type in the code penguins or penguin, I don't know. And I already did this on my account. But it'll give you a penguin, a ice den, and a pet rockhopper. So yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna ask what George Washington wants to do. George Washington is going to pick what we're gonna do. Hey, George Washington, what do you want to do? Alright, George Washington isn't responding. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do at this point. George Washington is offline right now, I think. So I think I'm gonna go around and just look for areas that I want to go to. I don't know, I'm bored. I think I can pretty much go to any place that any specific animal place that I want. So let's go to I don't know where I'm going at this. I don't know what I clicked. I have no clue. Oh, I clicked this place. So we're gonna be going into the raccoon place in here. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens. There's literally never anyone here, but then there's like 10 million people in the fox place. I find that weird. Seeing that raccoons used to be the biggest thing in the world when they first came out. And so, yeah. Basically, I'm gonna get muddy anyway, so okay. That works. Alright. I need to get up here. How do I get onto this slide? Here. If I climb... Wait a minute. If I climb up here... No, it doesn't work. I think I have to go around here. What? What is this? I just went. What? Why is there puffer fishes in my... Ew. Alright, I'm leaving. I can't. I don't like puffer fishes. They scare me. Where do I leave? Oh, here. There we go. Alright. So, I'm just... Wait, that was awful. Alright, I think we should go to the deer/moose place. I don't think I've ever been there before. So, yeah. Hey! This place is lit. Oh my god. This place is lit as crap. Bro, I love this. This is awesome. I'm gonna tell them, say hi to the peeps. Wow. So yeah, alright, one person said sup. Okay, so everyone's saying hi. I like this. This is fun. Okay, so okay. Don't show your username. I won't show your username, don't worry. Alright. Okay. Probably won't find my YouTube anyway, because nobody ever finds my YouTube. And I only have 14 subscribers. But it's still something. Okay. I'm gonna go over here and eat some water. Now I'm gonna drink some grass. There we go. So over here we have a frozen stream. A little crack right there. A little crack right there. Yeah, I think it's time to change character up a little bit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be giving you a tutorial for the secret colors. Well, for some of them anyway. I don't know all of them. Well, okay, so I know 3 of them. So if you, there's a color, right here. If you tap it 3 times, it doesn't work. It'll give you this beautiful light blue. Now, this also goes with here. So if you tap this one, boom, 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 boom. Gives you this pretty purple. And then if you go boom, skip one, boom, skip one, boom, skip one, boom, skip one, and boom, skip one, you get this really pretty green, this forest green that I really like. So I'm going to change it to, yeah, like this. So I'm going to put on my hummingbird wings. Flower crowns are pretty rare, as you know. And I have 10 of them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 flower crowns. I need a yellow one. And I'm making. Hold on, I need to move this. I'm making a forest character. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this. I like this a lot. Alright, yeah. This is actually a really cool place where deer can just hang out, you know, have fun. Alright, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. Alright, see you.